Hello everyone. You might have seen me wearing this shirt in many of the videos because this is one of my favorite pieces of clothing. Have you ever wondered how clothes are made? Well, clothes are made from threads, of course. But where do threads come from? They come from fibers. So welcome to Tinkle Motor Machines, and in this video we are going to see how to make a spinning machine, that is a charkha, using these tools here. So we'll need the double pop bit, we'll need the motor bit of course, and the power source to make the motor work. We need the stand bit, we need the bike pop, and we'll need the straw which is attached with the hook, and we'll need the cotton. So these two you can get from B4, box number 4, and you will need this small piece of foam circle which you can get from the foam board. So let's get started. As with all the motor machines, first we'll begin by setting up the motor. So for that I have taken this bike pop, and with the help of this stand bit and double pop I will fix the motor. Now for the motor to run we'll need the power source. So let's connect the power source to the motor. Once the power source is connected, the next step is to attach this straw and the foam piece. So this foam piece we'll use to control the speed when this straw will spin. So that's why we'll insert this first at somewhere in the middle and then fix it onto the motor. So this is our initial setup. Bike pop, into which I have put stand pop, then I have kept the double pop vertical, in which I have fixed the motor bit, and then I have fixed the straw and the hook, and of course connected the power source. Now this is not the only setup, you have the lollipop bit also, so you can try out different methods in which you can make this setup. So now the next thing we are going to do is we'll take this cotton, right? So little bit of cotton I'll take. So here if you see the cotton, when I pull it, it is coming apart easily, right? That is because it has not much strength in it, right? So if I tie something here and I pull it from the other side, this will break. So now with the help of this charkha, what we will do is we will try to make it a thread, right? So you can take a little bit of cotton, right, and you can fix it onto the hook. So for that what I will do is I'll just pull it back a little bit and keep it here. As soon as I switch on the power source, this will start spinning, right? So you can place your finger here onto this wheel to control the speed of its spinning, right? So here as you can see, as soon as I switched on the motor, it got twisted. Now we have to pull it a little bit to make it come like a thread, and then you can also hold this here and slowly you have to pull it and make it into a thread. Now this will take practice, so you can keep tinkering. So now after spinning you can see that it has become like a thread, and it is lot more stronger than the cotton. Now here the terminals are connected in one direction, right? You can interchange the terminals, and that time you will get another type of twist. So one is an S twist which you get when you connect the terminals in this way. If you reverse the terminals you will get what is called a Z twist, right? So with different setups and with different amount of threads, you can keep tinkering and exploring. Thank you.